Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off autoplay message effects on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility, then tap on Motion. Next, we go down and tap on the autoplay message effects toggle button. So tap on the button to switch it off or turn it on. And so here allows full screen effects in the Messages app to autoplay. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings, swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.